It's a cold day out here in December out in Colorado. And I got a little surprise for the channel. This beautiful thing right here. So you can see there's snow on the ground and everything, but I thought I'd introduce this to the channel. Hopefully be able to get some good content out of it. You can see there's a hole in the hood. So I thought I could take it out for today and get some videos with it. So I'm trying to get more camera equipment and all that because I've been recording everything on my phone, and it fucking sucks. It is what it is, but it sucks. And that is why I have that out there. Covering the goodies. Cold start from all the way over here, maybe. Let's see. Oh, fudge. Let's see if I have something in the car. I could prop up. I think yes. This might work. Yeah, guys, I don't even have a tripod or anything yet. Alright. Doors love to not stay shut. Oh man. Just cold day here in Colorado. But still fires right up. Interior is, you know, not too bad, to be honest. Of course, typical cracked dash. We do have heat, so that's a good thing. Let's take it over to the garage. This in the garage, but stage 3 clutch, of course, so it's heavy as shit, no power steering. I gotta take every speed bump like you're fucking sideways as fuck. My neighbors love me for sure. a clap, but damn. Looks good. It has gas, I guess. I put a little bit of gas in it yesterday, so probably wouldn't be bad to get some more, but whatever. And let me tell you guys, I love driving this thing. After driving this, it's making me think that we might have to do an M50 swap on the XI, because it's just so much fun to drive. The extra power is really nice. Like, I love the M20, but I like the way this motor sounds better. I love this weather, man. I know not a lot of people are fans of the cold and the snow, but I personally am. You just gotta bundle up, dress right, and shit, man, it's I enjoy it quite a bit. I think the cars do too. I think they'd rather be some cars they act up, but at least this car seems to like cold weather. Seems to run a little bit a little better. Alright guys, so that's pretty much going to be it for this video. Thanks for all the support and everything. I thought the last video for sure was going to tank pretty hard, but to my surprise it seemed like more people enjoyed it than not. So I'll keep trying to make cool videos for you guys, and working on getting some better camera equipment and all that, so I can really start doing some cool stuff. But for now, I just wanted to put something out, try and stay consistent. So yeah, let me know what you think, what you want to see. It's tempting to try and keep this for the channel because it's just fun, but I already have the white one that I wanted to finish as a build for the channel. So let me know what you guys think about that. Which one you'd rather see. Maybe M50 swap the white one and just let this go to someone else. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day.